Hello guys, so ngayon naman ay nag-online ako, nag-live FB live. I hope that kikita nyo yung screen ko. Medyo hirap makontrol itong screen sharing ng Facebook. So guys, it will just be a short video. I just came online. It's because of what happened today to PXP. So as you know, guys, that PXP is really an speculative stock. It doesn't have a good fundamentals. So this is not really for investors. This is not really for investors. PXP is purely trading and a high risk trading. So sa previous video ko, nasabi ko na to at nabanggit ko na about this, that this is too speculative, and if you would really like to trade in PXP, then you should be extra careful, especially if you have already gains and profits or paper profits in your portfolio. Then you should always take care to exit from that trade or save your profit once you can see some signs that sell-off is happening. So like what happened today, I was looking at this stock today. It was I was following this at a 5-minute chart, and it was just trading at 12.2 or 12.3. So nag-sideways or nag-consolidate yung stock na to at this level. So what happened today with PXP is really a big sell-off. So makikita nyo sa screen na to na if you compare the buying candlesticks, they are shorter compared to the red candlesticks, which indicates that the sell-off is really strong here. The momentum of selling is strong, and sellers is in control from this 12.21. Actually, it was trying to hit this 12.3, but there was a big price. There is a price rejection at that. Then there is a very long candlestick here. Then there was some consolidation happening, and then again another sell-off. So this is an avalanche effect, as I said already in some of my comments in this COL Financial Group Traders and Investors. So now, ang tanong, paano nga ba, or how do we handle this PXP at this current situation? So before that, let's evaluate what's happening here. So here it started the uptrending. So we can put this 8.57 as a baseline, or maybe this 8.93 or 94 consolidation area. So we can use that as a baseline, but we can confirm it with the MACD that here is the sell signal, buy signal here, also here. But okay, we can use this as a reference. So what is that? So this is that the price 8.62. So that is our base. So now, guys, basically we can have here that resistance line, and then what happened is that when sell-off happened, it is indicated now with a very long candlestick with above average volume, which is really convincing sell-off. Then sinundan ito ng buying, pero maliit lang yung volume, which makes it very suspicious that buyers are not anymore in control. So which is followed again by selling, which is above average. So yan pa lang, guys, it indicates that at this level there is now a turnaround of the sentiment. So yun, sinundan ito ng another red candlestick. But from this point, this is the 23.6% Fibonacci, which is now rejected or breakdown by this long candlestick. And then the price did not look at this 38.2% Fibonacci, nagtuloy-tuloy pa. Sinundan again ng napakataas na red candlestick, pero sinundan ito ng green candlestick, kaya lang yung volume is mababa. Then now we are looking at that. So that was the bouncing area, the 50% Fibonacci. Pero na-breakdown ulit ito ng mataas na candlestick. Pero itong candlestick na to is already below average. So medyo yung ano natin dito, yung selling is bumabagal ng konti. So mayroon tayong buying dyan. So buyers are coming in, indicated by the lower part of the wick, lower wick of that candlestick. Then nagkaroon pa rin ng selling, but buyers are still coming. So ibig sabihin at this level, which is not lying into the into any of our Fibonacci level, is still suspicious. So my judgment or my verdict on this is that I would wait that the price can approach to 61.8 Fibonacci, or to be specific, that is 10.0. But remember guys that we have here a previous consolidation area, so which can also not that one, it's also that one, but also here. So which means that pag pumalo yung price area na to, the lowest should be 9.85. Below that, I would already avoid this stock. Okay, it might go to this, but this is not supported by any Fibonacci levels. So I in this kind of situation, I always trust the Fibonacci levels. Kasi as you know that this is speculative, our only chance to quantify and to make logical trading decisions here is to use proven and tested indicators like Fibonacci. And then ito pa, mayroon tayong Bollinger Band dito. So yung selling nag-umpisa sa dynamic resistance indicated by the Bollinger Band. At now, nandito na tayo sa may dulo, pero as you can see, nag-open pa ito pababa. So, mayroon talagang chance na the price will still fall on this level. Kapag na-break yan, then you should avoid the stock. So, okay, MACD is also showing us that momentum is bumagal. So, medyo bumagal, pero hindi pa rin ito convincing na talagang hindi yan mag-continue. So we will see. So if I am the trader, I would wait for this area. Then if there is some bouncing or heavy volume coming in, then I would buy. So again, this is not good for any investing or investor mindset. This is purely trading. At pag nag-trade ka guys sa stock na to, you should never you should always be careful on this. You should really have that time. So kung meron kang full-time job at hindi ka makatutok dito, it's better not to trade on this, kasi anything can happen. Like what I said in one of my comments, that this stock in any time of the day, halimbawa nag-CR ka lang, then pagbalik mo mataas na agad ang binagsak, which happened today. So yeah, so the indicators are telling it guys that here the RSI, it ran out of steam and it now reverses downward. And this level can still move downward. It can also go up, but who knows? So we use other indicators. Okay, CCI is now below negative 100, and now the end part is pointing up, which can indicate that it might go up. But this is still not so reliable. So guys, so that is my recommendation, or not recommendation, my insight about PXP. That be very careful on this. Anything can happen. The stock is so speculative that the risk is so high, although the reward can be so high. But always take note that success in trading is not only about how much is the target price, how much can it go in the future, but it also means that how we can manage our risk. What is that risk that is within this trade kung mag-reverse yung trade? So ibig sabihin na pag mali yung analysis, we should always consider the other side of the coin. How much risk are we taking here? So for this kind of stock, I want to minimize the risk. So ibig sabihin na kapag magkaroon lang ng konting how do you say it? Konting adjustment sa price. Halimbawa, pag sinabi kong cut loss ko dito is 12 kasi our last candlestick was here and my cut loss was set just below the last candlestick, and that was 12. So if the price goes below 12, then we already abort this stock. So I hope that some of you was able to do it, but for those who could not, then our only chance now is to wait for this area. If it will bounce, then fine. Okay, I might be wrong that tomorrow it might bounce at this level, but I would not trust on that. There is no logical level here which can say that this bouncing is there is some supporting indicator which can say that this price is already good for bouncing. It can be a red candlestick again tomorrow. So take care of that, guys, and always take care of your capital. So yun, so that's all about PXP, and would like to announce that for those who would like to avail my stock mentoring online, then you can message me. I do teach fundamental and technical analysis. I do it in 3 sessions. The first session is fundamental analysis, and it lasts 1.5 hours. I do it usually weekends. We can agree with the time. So our time zone might be different. I live here in Europe, so if you are in Philippines, we have 7 hours time difference. Kaya ginagawa kong weekends lang yung stock mentoring online ko pag nasa Pilipinas ka. Pero kung nasa Doha ka o nasa Europe, we can arrange that after my working hours. I went out from work at 5, so after that hour we can already adjust. So earlier somebody also wrote a message to me who is asking for consultation. So yan, one of my services is consultation. This is not about this is different from stock mentoring. Stock mentoring is 3 sessions wherein I have really a predefined topics to discuss, fundamental analysis, and the 2 sessions is technical analysis. And there is a special session also, session 4, wherein I discuss in details the techniques that I am using for my trades or for my investments. So basically, guys, I am an investor. I am checking a company. I'm checking company fundamentally. Then after that, I check what price to buy that stock. So kaya napakahalaga yung ng fundamental sa akin. Then technicals is also very, very important. So I also have some consultation which is hourly. You can check my FB shop for more details, or just write to me a message and I can send you more details. I do have also weekly stock updates, and I have really good picks now, hottest stocks that I have, and these stocks are really well chosen fundamentally, and I provide the buying range and the target price and the cut loss point whenever our analysis or the trend goes against us. So I have also, for my stock mentoring line, for those who find it a little bit expensive or not so affordable for you, although it's not so expensive, I provide recorded sessions. Recorded sessions are actually recording from my actual stock mentoring, so the contents are the same, but it's in a cheaper price. Alright guys, so again, good luck sa inyo for PXP, and for those na naiipit pa, watch out for that area na sinabi ko kanina, between 9.83 and 10.07. So watch out for that, guys, tomorrow, and good luck.